Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your post from someone on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, we can go to our profile, click on your profile, and then go to the setting and activity. You can click on these three lines to open the Instagram setting and activity. Then just go to the close friends, and you have to add some people or some accounts to this close friends list. You can add some accounts you want to share your Instagram post to. For example, I'm just going to add this one, this one, this one, and this one as well. And I'm going to hide my post from this account, so I'm not going to add this account to my close friends list. Once we're done adding the close friends, we can click on done. Okay, and I'm going to start creating a post on my Instagram. I'm going to click on this plus button, and I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm going to click on next and then click on next again. And if we want to hide this post from specific accounts, we can manage the audience. We can choose the close friends instead of followers. So this post will be shared to our close friends only. And then you can click on done. And then once you're ready to share your Instagram post, you just need to click on share. Alright guys, and that's all the way to hide our Instagram post from someone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.